This recipe has been passed down for over 130 years. A friend taught me this dish after learning it from his mother. According to my friend's family, the recipe dates back to 1889. In 1936, it was passed on to his grandfather, who learnt it from the local village community in Guangdong. And from there, it continued on through the family. With their permission, I'm sharing this recipe on YouTube, so this dish can now be passed on to you. This is Hakka Pig Trotters. To cook this, we will need 6 whole long dried chilies, 3 whole garlics, 400 grams of rock sugar, 4 pig trotters, and black sweet rice vinegar. The first thing we need to do is remove any remaining hairs from the pig trotters. If they haven't already been cut into pieces, butcher them into palm-sized chunks. You can pluck out the hairs individually, but I'd recommend carefully burning them off instead. It makes the whole process much faster. Then blanch the trotters in boiling water. Once the water starts to simmer again, remove the trotters and rinse under cold water. Give the trotters a thorough wash to remove any remaining scum or impurities. Then set them aside and allow them to dry. Give the garlic bulbs a few firm hits to break them into large chunks. There's no need to separate or peel each individual clove. Then in a wok over medium heat, stir fry the garlic and dried chilies. Keep everything moving constantly, as you don't want the garlic skins to burn. Once fragrant, add some sesame oil, then add the pork trotters and stir fry everything together. Stir the trotters occasionally, giving them enough time between each stir to brown slightly on the skin. Once the skin has developed a little browning, remove everything from the wok and set it aside. Next, add the rock sugar to the wok along with 100 ml of water. Slowly melt the sugar, breaking up the larger pieces as they soften until it dissolves into a syrup. Once the syrup thickens, turns amber and bubbles, return the stir-fried ingredients to the wok and mix everything together until the ingredients are evenly coated in the caramel. Next, place a large pot over low heat and transfer everything from the wok into the pot. Add 700 ml of water and 700 ml of black sweet rice vinegar to the pot, or enough of each in a 1:1 ratio to just cover the ingredients. Bring the pot to a boil over medium-high heat, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Add in half a tablespoon of salt and stir it in. Cover and cook until the meat becomes tender and soft, which should take around 2 hours. Once the meat is tender, remove the lid and reduce the heat slightly. Let it gently simmer uncovered for another hour, or until the gravy reduces and thickens to a rich, syrupy consistency similar to traditional Chinese medicine. And that is how you make Hakka Pig Trotters. The first thing you notice is its distinctive glossy sheen on the pork skin. Serve it with a bowl of hot white rice. After hours of cooking, the meat becomes incredibly tender and full of flavor. The skin softens down into a rich, silky texture. The meat should pull away from the bone effortlessly. I'm told the best way to enjoy this dish is to add a generous spoonful of the rich gravy into the rice, then scoop up a little rice and a piece of meat together in each spoonful. This dish has a very distinct flavor that's quite unlike anything else. It's absolutely delicious, but for me, the gravy is the best part. It has this perfect balance of sour, sweet, and spicy, making it really addictive.